Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello guys, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Monica, and to solve all your tiffin worries, we are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making pressure cooker pasta. It's almost like a one-pot meal and super quick for school mornings. So चलो देखें कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. So चलो देखें कैसे बनाते हैं प्रेशर कुकर पास्ता. To start with, add a little olive oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll add some garlic. Saute it a little. And add your vegetables to it. Some bell peppers. Broccoli, some baby corn, and saute for 2 minutes. Time to add the spices. Some salt, pepper powder, a bit of chili flakes, and mixed herbs. Now, time to add Kissan Tomato Ketchup. The Kissan Tomato Ketchup adds the perfect tomato flavor to the pasta, a flavor that we often associate with the name of pasta. There are no fresh tomatoes in this recipe, but with Kissan Tomato Ketchup, we won't miss it at all. Add a little amount of cheese. Give it a nice stir. And add your whole wheat pasta. Some water. Stir it a little. And bas, cooker बंद कर दो. We have to steam it, so no need for the whistle. करीबन 3 या 4 मिनट के लिए. So चलो, let's see if the pasta is ready. So looks like our pasta is ready. Now let's pack the tiffin. थोड़ा किशमिश और अनार. I hope I've solved your tiffin worry for today. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.